In this video, we will learn arithmetic progression exercise 5.3 class 10. Arithmetic progressions exercise 5.3 problem 1. Find the sum of the following APs 2, 7, 12, so on up to 10 terms. Find the sum. Okay, this sum anta cheste anta vastundi. Okay, first here A1 equals to first term is 2, A2 is second term 7, A3 is third term that is 12. So many terms are there. This is an AP already given. Following AP. So first find D, common difference. What is the formula? A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. What is the value of A2? 7 minus 2 that is 5. Okay. Now we will find the sum of n terms. Here, what is the value of n? N equals to 10 because n terms are there. 10 terms are there. So now Sn, sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Sn equals to what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the value of n is 10. So S10 equals to 10 by 2 into 2. A value 2. A is nothing but A1. 2a plus n value 10. 10 minus 1 into d is common difference that is 5. So 10 by 2 value 5. 5 into 2, 2 is 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 5. Okay, that equals to 5 into 4 plus 9 5 is 45. So 5 into 4 plus 45, 49. So 5 into 49 is 5 9 is 45. 4 balance, 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So in the given series, sum of first 10 terms is 245. Second one, find the sum of minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, so on up to 12 terms. So here A1 equals to minus 37, A2 equals to minus 33, second term. A2 is nothing but second term. A3 equals to minus 29. Up to how many terms? 12 terms. Therefore n equals to 12. Now sum of n terms. What is the formula? Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So here how many terms are there? 12 terms. So S12 equals to 12 by 2 into 2a. A value, A is nothing but A1 minus 37 n minus 1. 12 minus 1 d. D is the common difference. What is the value of d? See, d equals to what is the formula? D equals to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is how much? Minus 33. Minus A1 is minus 37. Listen, minus 37. So minus 33. Minus of minus is plus 37. 37 minus 3 is 4. So D is 4. So 2 how many times? 6 times. 6 into minus 2, 37 is 2 7 is 14, 2 3 is 6, 74. 2 times of minus 37 is minus 74. 12 minus 1 is 11 into 4. So 6 into minus 74 plus 11 4 is 44. Okay. So 6 into minus 74 plus 44 minus 30. Okay. So here minus is there. Right, keep outside the minus. 630 is 180. The sum of first 12 terms in the above sequence is minus 180. See the problem number 4. Find the sum of 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 up to 11 terms. So here first term is A1 equals to 1 over 15. So A2 equals to second term 1 by 12. So A3 is 1 by 10. How many terms are there? 11 terms. So n equals to 11. Now first find the value of d. That means common difference. What is the formula? A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. What is the value of A2? A2 value 1 by 12 minus A1 value 1 by 15. 1 by 15. What is the LCM of 12 and 15? See, 12, 15. So 2 table 6 times. So this is 15 only. Again 2 table 3 times. Write 15. So now 3 table 3 ones are 3 fives are. 5 table write 1 5 ones are. So LCM is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. So LCM is 60. 60 LCM. 12 how many times? 5 times. 5 ones are 5. Minus 15 how many times? 4 times. 4 ones are 4. So 1 over 60. Okay. Now sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. What is the formula sum of n terms? Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now I want to find S11. Sum of 11 terms equals to 11 by 2 into 2. A value how much? 1 by 15. 2a plus n minus 1. 11 minus 1. D. D is how much? 1 by 60. Okay. Now 11 by 2 into 2 ones are 2. 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 1 is 10. 10 by 60. Okay. That equals to 11 by 2. 15 and 60 LCM is 60. So 15 is factor of 60. So LCM is 60. 15 how many times? 4 times. So 15 4 times. 4 into this number 2. Plus 60 how many times? 1 time. 1 into 10. Okay. That equals to 11 by 2. 4 2s are 8. 1 10s are 10 by 60. Okay. Next one. That equals to 11 by 2. 11 by 2. 10. 8 plus 10 is 18. 8 plus 10 is 18 by 60. 18 by 60. Now see 2 9 times. 2 9 times. So 11 into 9 by 60. Again 3 times. 3 20 times. So 11 3 is a 33 by 20. So sum of first 11 terms in the given sequence is 33 by 20. Progressions exercise 7.3 problem 2. Find the sums given below. First one 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus so on 84. Okay. So here A1 equals to 7. A2 equals to 10 and half. A3 equals to 14. Okay. Here Sn formula, sum of n terms formula, Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus an. But I don't know the value of n. First prove the value of n. Okay. So here an is also given. So an equals to 84. That means last term. Okay. See what is the common difference d? D equals to 10 half minus 7. 10 half minus 7. 2 tens are 20. 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 7. Okay, that equals to 21. 2 sevens are 14. 14 by 2. That is 7 by 2. Okay. Now we will find the value of n. Okay, since an equals to, what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. An equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is given. What is the value of an? 84. 84 equal to a value is nothing but a1. 7 plus n minus 1, d value 7 by 2. 84 plus, okay, 7 transpose option minus 7 equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7 is 77 equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2 transpose option is 77 into 2 by 7 equals to n minus 1. 7 how many times? 11 times. 11 into 2 equals to n minus 1. So 11 into 2 is 22 equals to n minus 1. Okay, minus 1 transposed outside. 22 plus 1 equals to n. So 23 equals to n. The value of n is 23. Okay. Now n equals 23. So S23. S23 equals to 23 by 2. A value 7 plus an value 84. That equals to 23 by 2. 7 plus 84 is 91. 7 plus 84 is 91. Now multiply 23 into 91. See 23 times of 91. 1 3 is 3, 1 2 is 2. 9 3 is 27, 2 balance, 9 2 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. So 3 7 0 2. Sorry, 3 9 2 0. Okay, 0 2. That is finally 2093 by 2. Okay, 2093 by 2. Now 2 division, 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros, 2 4s are 8, 1 balance, 2 6s are 12. So 0.5. If you don't know, do like this. 2093. 2 1s are 2. Okay, 2 minus 2 is 0. 0, like keep 0 here. Next number 9, 2 4s are 8, 1. Okay, next number 3, 2 6s are 12. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, take decimal and 0, 2 5s are 10. So final answer is 1046.5. Problem 2, second. Find the sum of 34 plus 30 plus 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus so on 10. Okay. See here A1 equals to 34, A2 equals to 32, A3 equals to 30, An equals to 10. First n value find out change. So what is the common difference D? A2 minus A1, that is 32 minus 34 equals to minus 2. Okay. Since An equals to 10, first we will find the value of n. Okay. Why? The formula of Sn is sum of n terms is n by 2 into a plus an. So that's why we will find first n. So an equals to 10. What is the value of an? An formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 10. Okay. Here a value is 34. A is nothing but a1. 34 plus n minus 1. D value is negative 2 equals to 10. So n minus 1 into minus 2 equals to 10. 34 transpose to right side minus 34. Okay. So n minus 1 into minus 2 equals to 10 minus 34 is minus 24. 10 minus 34 is minus 24. Now minus minus cancel. 2 12 times. 2 12 times. Therefore n minus 1 equals to 12. N minus 1 equals to 12. N equals to 12. Minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. 12 plus 1 is 30. Therefore n equals to 13. Okay, coming to the next point. We will find sum of n terms. So here how many terms are there? 13 terms are there. So S13 equals to, so 13 by 2, a plus an. Here a is a1, that is 34 plus an is 10. That equals to 13 by 2, 34 plus 10 is 44. So 2 how many times? 22 times. So 13 times 22. 13 times 22. So 13 2s are 26. 13 2s are 26 plus 2 is 28. The sum of first 13 terms is 286. Second problem, third one. Find the sum of minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus so on minus 230. Okay. Find the sum. What is the sum formula? Sn equals to n over 2. That means n by 2 into a plus an. Okay. Here a is there minus 5. An is there minus 230. So but I don't know the value of n. First find the value of n using the terms. Okay. First u1, a1 equals to how much here? A1 equals to minus 5. A2 equals to minus 8. A3 equals to minus 11. So let us say last term is an equals to minus 230. So d equals to, what is the formula? A2 minus a1. So that equals to minus 8 minus a1 is minus 5. Okay. That equals to minus 8. Minus of minus is plus 5. Okay. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. Okay. Now since an equals to how much? Minus 230. An formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 230. So here a is minus 5 plus n minus 1. So n minus 1, d is minus 3 equals to minus 230. So n minus 1 times minus 3 equals to minus 230. Minus 5 transpose right side plus 5. That equals to n minus 1 times minus 3 equals to minus 225. Okay, minus 225. Minus 230 plus 5 is minus 225. So negative get cancelled. So n minus 1 into 3 equals to 225. So 3 7s are 21. 1 balance, 3 5s are 15. So n minus 1 equals to 75. N minus 1 equals to, sorry, n equals to 75. Minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. So 75 plus 1 is 76. Therefore the value of n is 76. Now we will find sum of 76 terms. Okay, that equals to Sn equals to, what is the formula? Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus an. So here how many terms are there? 76 terms. So S76 equals to 76 by 2 into a value minus 5 plus an value minus 230. So 2 how many times? 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are. So minus 5 plus times minus is minus. So 230. So 38 into minus 235. Now do multiplication minus. Okay. 235 into 38. 8 5s are 40. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 3 5s are 15. 1 balance. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 balance. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 0. 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 8. So 8930. Problem 3. In an AP given A equals to 5, D equals to 3 and AN equals to 50. Find N and Sn. Okay. See, A equals to 5, D equals to 3 and AN equals to 50 is given. So now we will find the values of N and Sn using these terms. Okay. Since, see the problem, since AN equals to how much? 50. Okay. What is the formula of AN? A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 50. Okay. Here the value of A is 5 plus n minus 1. We will find the value of n only. N minus 1, D value 3 equals to 50. So n minus 1 into 3 equals to 50. 5 transpose to right side minus 5. N minus 1 into 3 equals to 50 minus 5 is 45. So n minus 1, 3 how many times? 15 times. So n minus 1 equals to 15. So n equals to 15 minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. Therefore n equals to 16. In this series how many terms are there? 16 terms are there. Now we will find the value of Sn. So Sn equals to n by 2 into A plus An. Here n equals to how much? 16. S16 equals to 16 by 2 into A value is 5 plus An is 50. Okay. 2 how many times? 8 times. So 8 into 50 plus 5 is 55. So 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. So S16 equals to 44. That means 440. Second one. A equals to 7. A13 equals to 35. Find D and S13. Okay. So given A equals to 7 and A13 equals to 35. So A equals to 7 and A13 equals to 35. So since A13 equals to 35. So A13 equals to 35 means what is the A13 formula? A13 formula A plus 12D. A plus 12D equals to 35. Okay. So A value 7 plus 12D equals to 35. So 12D equals to 35. 7 transpose to right side minus 7. That equals to 35 minus 7 is 28. 35 minus 7 is 28. So 12D equals to 28. D equals to 28 over 12. So see 2 6 times, 2 14 times. Okay, again 2 3 times, 2 7 times. So D equals to 7 by 3. D equals to 7 by 3. Now here I got D value. Now I want S13. S13 equal to formula. What is the formula? S13 equals to n by 2 into Sn equals to actual formula is n by 2 into A plus An. So here how many terms are there? 13 terms are there given. 13 times. So S13 equals to 13 by 2 into 13 by 2 into A value 7 plus AN value 30. AN value A13. So write that one first. Okay. 13 by 2, 7 plus A13 value 35. Okay, 35. So 13 by 2, 7 plus 35 is 42. 7 plus 35 is 42. 2 how many times? 21 times. So 13 times of 21. 13 1 is 13, 32 is 26, 26 plus 1 is 27. So S13 value 273. Problem 3. Given A12 equals to 37, D equals to 3. Find A and S12. Okay. Since given what is given A12 equal to 37, D equals to 3. Okay. What is the A12 formula? A12 equals to A plus 11D equals to 37. Now we will find the value of A and S12. Okay. So A plus 11D equals to 37. A value I don't know. So A plus 11 times D value 3 equals to 37. So A plus 11 times of 3 is 33 equals to 37. So A equals to 37. 33 transpose to right side minus 33. 37 minus 33 is 4. Therefore the value of A is 4. The value of A is 4. Now we will find the value of S12. So since Sn formula, what is the formula? N by 2 into A plus AN. So now I want S12. S12 equals to 12 by 2 into A value. Here A value is here. A value is 4 plus A12. So write again. Okay. A plus A12. Okay. That equals to 12 by 2. Here A value 4 plus A12 value. Here A12 value 37. So 2 6 times. 6 times of 4 plus 37 is 41. So 6 1 is 6. 6 4 is 24. So final answer is 246. Fourth one. A equals to 15, given A equals to 15, S10 equals to 125. Find B and A10. Okay. See given A3 equals to 15 and S10 equals to 125. Okay. So since A3 equals to 15, A3 value A plus 2D equals to 15. Say it is 1. Also given that, and S10 is given, that is 125. S10 value, so S10 value, what is the S10 formula? S10 formula N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Now I want S10. S10 is S10 equals to 1 by 2. N by D. Here N equal to how much? 10. 10 by 2, 2A plus 10 minus 1. N is nothing but 10 minus 1. Here D value I don't know. Write like this. So but S10 value how much? 125. 2 how many times? 5 times. So 5 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 is 9. D. Okay. 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. So 525 times. 25 equals to 2A plus 9D. Write in a proper order. 2A plus 9D equals to 25. Say it is 2. Okay. Now solve 1 and 2. So solve 1 and 2. Now we will find the value of D and A10. Okay. So solve 1 and 2. So 1 multiply with 2. 1 multiply with 2. Then 2 times of A is 2A. 2 times of D is 2. 2 times of 2D is 4D. Okay. Equals to 2 times of 50 is 30. Okay. Write 2 as it is. So 2A plus 9D equal to 25. 2A plus 9D equals to 25. So minus minus minus. 2A cancel. 4D minus 9D is minus 5D. 30 minus 25 is 5. So the value of D is 5 over minus 5. So that is 1. So D equals to minus 1. Okay. Now I got the D value. Now A10. Now we will find the value of A10. Okay. Since AN equals to, what is the formula? AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now I want A10. So A10. So a10 equals to a plus, here a value how much? Okay, we don't know the value of a. Okay, using this one, find the value of a. Substitute d equals to minus 1 in 1 or 2. What is 1? A plus 2d equals to 15. So a value a plus 2 times of d value minus 1 equals to 15. So a plus times the minus is minus 2 equals to 15. A equals to 15 minus 2 transpose let's say plus 2, that is 17. A value 17. Okay. Now a10 equals to a plus a value 17 plus n minus 1. Here n is 10. 10 minus 1 d value minus 1. So 17 plus 10 minus 1 is 90. 10 minus 1 is 9 times of minus 1. So 17 plus times of minus is minus 9. So 17 minus 9 is how much? 8. Problem 5. Given d equals to 9, s9 equals to 75. Find a and a9. Okay. See the solution. Given d equals to 5 and s9 equals to 75. Okay. What is the Sn formula? Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals to d. Okay. So here now we will find the value of a and a9. Okay. Since s9 equals to how much? S9 equals to 9 by 2 into 2a. I don't know the value of a. 2a plus n minus 1. N is 9. N minus 1. 9 minus 1 into d value. First find the value of a. So S9 value 75 equals to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8. 9 minus 1 is 8 into 5. Okay. So 75, 2 transpose reduction multiply with 2 equals to 9. 2a plus 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. Okay. 2 times of 75 is 2 times of 150. 150 equals to 9 times of 2a plus 40. Okay. See 150 equals to 9 times of 2a is 18a. 9 times of 40 is 360. Okay. Now 150, 360 transpose to the right side minus 360 equals to 18a. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay. 3 minus 1 is 2 equals to 18a. Okay. Now 200 minus 210. So 2 minus 210 by 18 equals to a. Okay. See the 3 table. 6 table. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 6 5s are 30. So a equals to minus 35 by 3. Minus 35 by 3. So now I want a9. A9 value how much? A9 equals to, what is the formula A9? A9 equals to a plus 8d. So here a value minus 35 by 3 plus 8d value 5. So minus 35 by 3 plus 8 5s are 40. So minus 35 plus 3 40s are 120 by 3. So problem 6. In an AP given a equals to 2, d equals to 8, Sn equals to 90. Find a and an. See this problem. Okay. Given Sn equals to 90. What is the Sn formula? Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So here Sn is 90 equals to n by 2 into 2a value 2 plus n minus 1 d value 8. So 90, 2 transpose reduction multiply with 2 equals to n into 2, 2s are 4 plus 8 times of n is 8n minus 8. So 90 times of 2 is 180 equals to n into 4 plus, right, 4 minus 8 is minus 4. 4 minus 8 is minus 4 plus 8n. So 180 equals to n times of minus 4 is minus 4n. N times of 8n is 8n square. Okay. So here minus 4n plus 8n square. 180 transpose fraction minus 180. Here nothing is there, nothing is not there, so equals to 0. So write in the proper order. 8n square minus 4n minus 180 equals to 0. So here 4 is the counter. 4 is the counter. 2n square minus 2n, minus n minus 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is equals to 0. So 2n square minus n minus 45 equals to 0. 4 transpose to right side, 0 by 4 is nothing but 0. So now split this one into split this one into factors. 2n square. How to split this one? See, 40 by 2 is 90. 40 by 2 is 90. So say 90. So 245 times not possible. 315 are so not possible. 3 again 5 times. Okay. 5 2s are 10. 3 3s are 9. So this one can be written as minus 10n plus 9n. Minus 45 equals to 0. See, 10, 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9. So take 2n is the common in these two terms. 2n is the common. Still what is the n minus 5? Here 9 is the common. 9 is the common. N minus 5 equals to 0. Again here n minus 5 is the common term. So n minus 5 is the common. So still here 2n is there. Here plus 9 is there. So equals to 0. So n minus 5 equals to 0. See, n minus 5 equals to 0. N minus 5 equals to 0. Another one is 2n plus 9 equals to 0. 2n plus 9 equals to 0. N minus 5 equals to 0 means n equals to 5. So here 2n equals to negative 9. So n equals to negative 9 by 2. Okay. Since n is not positive, since here n is positive, here n is positive, here n is not positive. Okay. So n is not positive, numbers are not possible. When one more, this is a fraction. Fraction is also not possible. Therefore, n equals to 5. Okay. Now we will find the value of an. An equal to what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into b. Okay. Here a 5. N equals to 5. A5 equals to a value 2 plus n minus 1. 5 minus 1. D value how much? Here d value 8. So 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into 8. So 2 plus 4 is 32. That is 34. Problem 7. Given a equals to 8 and an equals to 62. Sn equals to 210. Find n and an. See the solution. Given a equals to 8, an equals to 62, and Sn equals to 210. Okay. Since Sn equals to how much? 210. What is the Sn formula? N by 2 into a plus an equals to 210. So first find the value of n. Here a is 8, an is 62. So n by 2 into a value 8, an is 62 equals to 210. So n by 2 into 8 plus 62 is 70 equals to 210. So observe that 70 3 times. 73 is the 210. So n by 2 equals to 3. So n equals to 3. 2 transpose right side, multiply with 2. So n equals to 6. N equal to 6. Okay, now we will find the value of d. Okay. See, since an equals to 62. What is the formula? An formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 62. Here the value of a is how much? 8. 8 plus n minus 1. N is 6. 6 minus 1. D equals to 62. So 8 plus 6 minus 1 is 5d equals to 62. So 5d equals to 62. 8 transpose to right side minus 8. So 62 minus 8 is 54. So 5d equals to 54. 5d equals to 54. So d equals to 54 by 5, that is 5 ones are 5 tens are 0.4. D equals to 10.4. Problem 8. Given an equals to 4, d equals to 2, sn equals to minus 14. Find n and a. See here, given, what is given? An equals to 4, d equals to 2, sn equals to minus 14. Okay, so now we will find the value of n and a. Okay, since an equals to 4, what is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into d equals to 4. The value of a, we don't know the value of a also. A plus n minus 1, d value 2 equals to 4. A plus 2 times of n, 2n, 2 times of 1, 2 equals to 4. So a plus 2n, 2n minus 2 equal to 4. So transfer these two terms into the right side. So 4 minus 2n plus 2. Minus 2 transpose to right side plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 2n. A equal to 6 minus 2n. Okay. Now what is the value of Sn? And Sn equals to minus 14. Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 14. Okay. N by 2. We don't know the value of n. N by 2 into 2. A value how much? 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 14. Okay. So n by 2 into 2 6 are 12 minus 2 2s are 4 plus n into d, nd. Okay, here d value how much? D value is 2. Okay, n into d minus 1 into d equals to minus 14. Okay, see, so n by 2, okay, 12 minus 4n plus n, d value 2 minus 1 into d. 1 into d is d. So d value is 2 equals to minus 14. So n by 2, 12 minus 14. 12 minus 14 is 10. Minus 4n plus 2n is minus 2n equals to minus 14. So n by 2, take 2 is the common here. 5 minus n equals to minus 14. Here 2 to get cancelled. N times of 5, 5n. N times of n, n square equals to minus 14. Now these two times transpose to right side. So minus 14, 5n transpose to right side plus minus 5n. Minus n square transpose to right side plus n square. Here nothing is there, 0. So write in a proper order, n square minus 5n minus 14 equals to 0. So now divide into factors, n square. This one can be written as minus 7n plus 2n. Minus 7n plus 2n. Minus 14 equals to 0. So take n is a common from the first two terms, n minus 7. From the second two terms, take 2 is the common, n minus 7 equals to 0. So n minus 7 is a common term, n minus 7 is a common, here n is there, here plus 2 is there. N plus 2 equals to 0. Now n minus 7 equals to 0, n minus 7 equals to 0 and n plus 2 equals to 0. So n minus 7 equal to 0 means n equals to 7. So here n equals to minus 2. N equal to minus 2 is not possible because n must be a natural number, positive number. So positive number is clearly it is a natural number. 7th term, 5th term, 6th term. It is not possible to say minus 2 term, minus 4 term. So therefore the value of n is, it is not possible. Therefore the value of n is 7. So now we will find the value of a. Okay, since an equals to how much? An equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an value 4. 4 equals to a value. We don't know the value of a. We will find that one only. A plus n minus 1. N is nothing but 7. 7 minus 1. Here d value 2. So 4 equals to a plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 into 2. So 4 equals to a plus 6 2s are 12. So 4, 12 transpose to left side minus 12 equals to A. 4 minus 12 is minus 8. So therefore A value is minus 8. Problem 9. Given A equals to 3, N equals to 8, S equals to 192. Then find the value of D. Here S is nothing but Sn. Okay. See the solution. Given A equals to 3, N equals to 8, N is given, that is 192. Okay. So since now we will find the value of D. Since Sn equals to, what is the formula? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. What is the value of Sn? 192 equals to, okay. So here N value is 8. 8 by 2 into 2A, A value 3 plus 8 minus 1, N minus 1 into D. Okay. So 2 4 times. So 192 equals to 4 times 2 3s are 6, 8 minus 1 is 7, B. So 4 4 times 4 8s are 32. So 48 equals to 6 plus 70. So 48, 6 transpose left side minus 6 equals to 70. So 48 minus 6 is 42. 42 equals to 70. So 42, 7 transpose to left side divided by 7 equals to D. 7 how many times? 6 times. Therefore, the value of D is 6. Problem 10. Given L equals to 28, S equals to 144. And there are total 9 terms. Find the value of A. See, what is given? Given L equals to 28. L is nothing but last term. Here how many terms are there? 9 terms. So A9 equals to 28. Okay, next. So Sn is given, that is Sn equals to 144. How many terms are there? 9 terms. That is S9 equals to 144. So N equals to 9. 9 terms are there. So see, since what is the formula? Sn formula. Sn equals to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, here N equals to 9. S9 equals to 9 by 2 2A. 2A plus N minus 1 into D. This is one formula, and one more formula is there, that is A plus AN. Here A is the first term, AN is the last term, so A9. Okay, this is another formula. So S9 value 144 equals to 9 by 2. A value, we don't know A value, plus A9 value 28. Okay. 2 transpose left side, 144 into 2 equals to 9 times A plus 28. So 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So 288 equals to 9 into A plus 28. So 288 by 9 transpose left side divided by 9 equals to A plus 28. See here, 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are. So 32 times. So 32 equals to A plus 28. So now we will find the value of A. 32, 28 transpose left side minus 28 equals to A. 32 minus 28 is 4. Therefore, the value of A is 4. Problem 4. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25, so on must be taken to give a sum of 636. ఈ ఏపీలో ఇలా చేసుకుంటూ పోతే ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్ సమ్ మీకు 636 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, see what is the given AP first. Okay, given AP, what is the AP? 9, 17, 25, so on. Okay, here what is the value of A1? A1 is 9, A2 is 17, A3 is 25. Okay, so Sn is also given. So Sn is 636. Now we will find the value of N. Okay, first, what is D? D formula D. What is D? D equals to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, that is 17 minus 9, that is 8. Okay, 17 minus 9 is 8. Okay, now since Sn equals to, since Sn equals to 636, now we will find the value of n. What is the Sn formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 636. So we don't know the value of n by 2. Okay, n by 2 into 2, a value 9 plus n minus 1, d value 8 equals to 636. So n by 2, 2 nines are 18. N into 8 is 8n, minus 1 into 8 is minus 8 equals to 636. So n by 2, 18 minus 8, 10 plus 8n equals to 636. So take here 2 is the common. So n by 2 into 8, 2 is the common. 2, 5 is the 10, 2, 4 is the 8 equals to 636. Now 2 to get cancelled. So now n into 5 is 5n, n into 4n is 4n square. 4n square equals to 636. So 636 transposed to left side. So 5n plus 4n square minus 636 equals to 0. 5n plus 4n square, 636 transpose left side, minus 636 equals to 0. Okay, now so write in a proper order. So 4n square plus 5n, 4n square minus 5n minus 636 equals to 0. Compare this equation into quadratic equation. Compare an square plus bn plus c equals to 0. Where a equals to how much? 4. B equals to 5. C equals to minus 636. Okay, what is the quadratic formula? N equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, minus b minus 5 plus or minus b square. B value how much? 5 square minus 4ac, 4 into a into c value minus 636. Okay, by 2a, 2 times of a value 4. Okay, so minus 5 plus or minus 5 square value 25. Okay, negative is positive plus. So 4 4 is 16. 16 times of 636. 636 into 16. 6 6 is 36. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 6 6 is 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. 1 6 is 6. 1 3 is 1 6 is. Okay. So 6 7 11 1 0 1 7 6 by 8. So add 25 to this number. So 6 plus 5 is 11. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 2 102 10,201. This value is square root of 10,201 by 8. Okay, now we will find the square root of 10,201. Okay, 10,201. So 1 ones are 1. So 2. 1 double is 2. Okay. 1 double is 2. Take the 2 decimals next. So take 0. Again 1. So 101. Exact value is 101. 10,200 square root of 10,201 is 101 by 8. That means minus 5 plus 101 by 8. Next, minus 5 minus 101 by 8. Okay, 101 minus 5 is how much? So 96. 96 by 8. Second one is minus 116 by 8. Now see. So 96 by 8. 96 by 8 value how much? 8 ones are 8 twos are. So here 2, 1, 2, 12. Here minus 8 ones are 8. 3 balance. 8 fours are 32. 4 balance 14.5. Okay. See, therefore the values of n are 12 and n equals to 12, and one more value n equals to minus 14.5. Okay, but number of terms is not possible in negative. Therefore the value of n is 14, because negative terms are not possible. So negative number of terms are not possible. So therefore the value of n is 12. Problem 5. The first term of an AP is 5. The first term of an AP is 5. See the solution. First term is nothing but A1. A1 equals to 5. And the last term is 45. That means AN equals to 45. And the sum is 400. So yes, n is 400. Find the number of terms. That means find the value of n and common difference. Also D. Now we will find the value of n and common difference. Okay. See, since Sn equals to 400. What is the formula? Sn formula. Sn formula is n by 2 into a plus an equals to 400. So n value. So we don't know the value of n by 2 into a value is 5 plus an value 45 equals to 400. So n by 2, 5 plus 45 is 50. 50 equals to 400. Okay, now see 51s are 58s are 58s. So n by 2 times of 1 is n by 2 equals to 8. So n equals to 8, 2 transpose to right side, multiply with 2, that is 16. N equals to 16. Okay, now we will find the value of D. Okay, see, since an equals to 45. What is the value of an? Definitely, what is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 45. Here A is 5. 5 plus n value is 16. Minus 1 into D value. We don't know the value of D, find that one. So 5 plus 16 minus 1 is 15. D equals to 45. So 15D equals to 45. 5 transpose right side minus 5. 45 minus 5 is 45 minus 5 is 40. So 15D equals to 40. So D equals to 40 by 15. So 5 table, 5 3s are 5 8s are. Therefore the value of D is 8 over 3. That means 8 by 3. Problem 6. The first and last terms of an AP are 17 and 350. See, given first and last terms, that means A equals to 17, last term AN equals to 350. And if the common difference is 9, D equals to 9. How many terms are there and what is their sum? How many terms means, number of terms means n value and sum, Sn value, find out here. So since an equals to 350. What is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 350. So here A value 17 plus n minus 1. So n minus 1, D value 9 equals to 350. So n minus 1 into 9 equals to 350. 17 transpose to right side minus 17. So 350 minus 17. 0 minus 7 is 3. Here 4 is there. 4 minus 1 is 3. 333. N minus 1 into 9 equals to 333. So n minus 1 equals to 333. 9 transpose to right side divided by 9. Okay. So 9 3s are 27. 6 balance. 9 7s are 63. So n minus 1 equals to 37. So n equals to 37 minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. 37 plus 1 is 38. Therefore the value of n is 38. Okay, now how many terms? So the number of terms. So number of terms are 38. See the second one. What is their sum? That means we will find Sn. Okay, Sn means what? N by 2 into one more formula is there, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and one more is a plus n, simple. A plus an. Here n, how many terms are there? 38 terms. So 38 by 2, a value 17, an value 350. So 219 times, 219 times. So 19 into 17 plus 350 is 367. Okay. 367 into 19. 9 7 is 63. 9 6 is 54. 54 plus 6 is 60. 9 3 is 27. 27 plus 3 is 33. So 7, 6, 1 6 is 6, 1 3 is 3. So 3, 7, 9, 6. 6,973. Therefore, yes, n means what? 38. So yes, 38 equals to 6,973. Problem 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which d equals to 7 and 22nd term is 149. Okay. See. D is 7. So what is given first? Given D is 7. 22nd term, that means A22 is given, that is 149. Now we will find S22. So since A22 equals to 149. Okay. What is A22? A22 means what? A plus 21D equals to 149. So a plus 21, d value 7 equals to 149. So a plus 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14 equals to 149. A equals to 149. 147 transposed to right side minus 147. 149 minus 147 is 2. A equals to 2. Okay. Now we will find S22. What is S22? What is Sn formula? N by 2 into A plus an. Okay. Now S22. S22 means 22 by 2 into A plus A22. Okay. So 2 how many times? 11 times. 11 into A value 2 plus A22 value 149. 11 into 2 plus 149, 151. So 11 1 is 11, 11 5 is 55, plus 1 56, 11 1 is 11, 11 plus 15 is 26. So 2661. Problem 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. See here what is given? Second and third terms are given. So second term given, A2 is given, that is 14. Next A3 is given, that is 18. Now we will find the sum of first 51 terms. A2 means what? A plus D equals to 14. Say it is 1. A3 means A plus 2D equals to 18. Say it is 2. Okay. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Okay. What is 2? A plus 2D equals to 18. What is 1? A plus D equals to 4. So do subtraction. So then sides are changed. So positive and negative cancel. 2D minus D is D. 18 minus 4 is 4. Therefore, the value of D is 4. Okay. Substitute B equals to 4 in 1 or 2. Your wish. 1 is better because this is a small equation. So, what is 1? A plus D equals to 14. A plus D value 4 equals to 14. So, A equals to 14. 4 transpose right side minus 4. Therefore, A equals to 14 minus 4 is 10. Okay. Now we will find sum of first 51 terms, that means S51. What is Sn formula? Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now S51. So 51 by 2 times 2, a value 10, a value 10 plus n minus 1, 51 minus 1, d value 4. That equals to 51 by 2, 2 times of 10 is 20, 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. So 51 by 2 into 20 plus 54 is 200. 51 by 2, 20 plus 200 is 220. So 2 how many times? 110 times. So 51 multiply with 51 times 110. So 0, 11 1 is 11, 1, 11 5 is 55 plus 1, 56. So 610. Sum of S51 terms. Problem 9. Find the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. See, the sum of first 7 terms, that is S7. S7 equals to 49. Okay. What is, and sum is given S17, sum of first 17 terms. S17 equals to 289. Okay. What is the Sn formula? What is the Sn formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now S7 equals to 7 over 2 into 2a plus, so n is 7 here, 7 minus 1 into d. Okay. Sn value 49 equals to 7 by 2 multiply with 2a, 7 minus 1 is 6d. Okay. 7 times. 2 transpose after here 7 1 time. 2 transpose after 7 times of 2 equals to 2a plus 6d. 7 times of 2 is 14 equals to 2a plus 6d. Say it is 1. Okay. Coming to the next point. S17 means 17 by 2. 17 by 2 equals to, S17 equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, 17 minus 1 into d equals to 289. Okay. So 17 by 2, see here 17 one time, 17 times. So 1 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 is 16d equals to 17. So 2a plus 6d equals to 17. 2 transpose left right side plus into 2. So 2a plus 6d equals to 17 2 is 64. Now solve 1 and 2. This is 16d. Okay. Solve 1 and 2. So what is 2? Here 2 is a bigger number, 16d. Okay. 2a plus 16d. 2a plus 16d equals to 34. 1 is 2a plus 6d equals to 14. So do subtraction, minus. So 2 here, negative 2 here get cancelled. 16d minus 6d is 10d. 34 minus 14 is 20. So d equals to 20 by 10, that is 2. D equals to 2. Okay. Substitute d equals to 2 in 1 or 2. Substitute d equals to 2 in 1 or 2. What is 1? 14 equals to 2a plus 6d. So 14 equals to 2a plus 6, d value 2. So 14 equals to 2a plus 6, 2 is 12. 12 transpose left side, minus 12 equals to 2a. So 2 equals to 2a. 14 minus 12 is 2. So 2 how many times? 1 time. Therefore a equals to 1. Okay. Now we will find sum of first n terms. So Sn equals to what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2 into 2, a value 1 plus n minus 1, d value 2. So n by 2, 2 1 is 2. 2 times of n is 2n, 2 times of 1 is 2. Okay, negative to positive to get cancelled. N by 2 into 2n, n by 2 into 2n. 2 to get cancelled, n times of n, that is n square. Sum of first n times is n square. Show that a1, a2, a3, so on an, so on form an AP, where an is defined as below. An equals to 3 plus 4n and another one is an equals to 9 minus 4n. Here two problems are there. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. Okay. See, show that a1, a2, a3, so on an, so on form an AP. Okay. First one is, what is the first one? An equals to 3 plus 4n. Okay. To prove that if an equals to 3 plus 4n forms an AP, okay, so the difference of an plus 1 minus an is a constant. To prove, okay, an equals to 3 plus 4n is an AP, we can prove that an plus 1 minus an is constant. Okay. Since an equals to how much? 3 plus 4n. So what about an plus 1? Then an plus 1. Then an plus 1 equals to 3 plus 4 plus n, 3 plus n equals to n plus 1. N plus 1. So 3 plus 4 times of n is 4n. 4 times of 1 is 4. 4 times of 1 is 4. Now an plus 1 minus an. So here one more step. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 4n. So an plus 1 value how much? 7 plus 4n minus an value 3 plus 4n. So 7 plus 4n minus 3, minus to plus is minus 4n. So 4 and 4n get cancelled. 7 minus 3 is 4. E is a constant. Okay. Therefore an equals to 3 plus 4n forms an AP. Now we will find sum of first 15 terms in each case. So first, what is Sn formula? N by 2 into a plus an. N by 2 into a plus an. Okay. See, here now I want S15. So first find a1. a1 equals to 3 plus 4 into 1. See, 3 plus 4 into 1. So 3 plus 4, that is 7. Next, an equals to how much? That means a15. Here n equals to 15. First 15 terms. So a15. a15 equals to 3 plus 4 into 15, that is 3 plus 15 4 is 60 equals to 63. Now Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus an. So S15 equals to 15 by 2 into a is nothing but a1 plus a15. So 15 by 2 into a1 value 7 plus a15 value 63. 15 by 2 into 7 plus 63 is 70. So how many times? 35 times. So 15 times of 35. 15 times of 35. 15 5 is 75. 15 3 is 45. 45 plus 7 is 52. So 525. So sum of first 15 terms is 525. See second one. An equals to 9 minus 5n. Okay. If we can check a plus 9 minus 5n is an AP, we can prove that. So the common difference of an plus 1 minus an is constant. Okay. If it is an AP, we can check an plus 1 minus an is constant. Okay. Since what is an? 9 minus 5n. So what about an plus 1? Substitute, replace n by n plus 1. 9 minus 5 times of n plus 1. So 9 minus 5 times of n is 5n. Minus into plus is minus. 5 times of 1 is 5. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 5n. So this is an plus 1. Okay, now an plus 1 minus an. An plus 1 minus an. So an plus 1 is 4 minus 5n minus an is 9 minus 5n. That equals to 4 minus 5n minus 9 minus into minus plus 5n. So 5n into 5n get cancelled. So 4 minus 9, that is minus 5, is a constant. Therefore an equals to 9 minus 5n forms an AP. Now we will find S15, that means 15 by 2 into a plus a15. So first find a1. So a1, what is a1 since an equals to, what is an first? An equals to 9 minus 5n. So a1 equals to 9 minus 5 times of 1. That equals to 9 minus 5, 4. a15 equals to 9 minus 5 times 15. 9 minus 75, 15 5 is 75. So 75 minus 9 is, 15 minus 9 is 66, minus 66. Now Sn formula, what is the formula? Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus an. So now I want S15. So 15 by 2 into a value is nothing but 4. You can write a1 plus an is nothing but a15. So 15 by 2 into a1 value 4 plus minus 66. So 15 over 2, 4 plus into minus is minus 66. So 15 over 2, 4 minus 66 is minus 62. So 2 how many times? 31 times. So minus 15 times of 31. So that equals to 15 ones are 15, 1 balance. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 1 is 46. So therefore minus 465. It is sum of first 15 terms. Problem 11. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus 4n square, that is given sum of first n terms. So Sn equals to 4n minus n square. What is the first term? That is S1. What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third and 10th and nth terms. See, Sn equals to 4n minus 1. Sum of first term is nothing but S1. So 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So 4 into 1 is 4 minus 1. That is 3. Sum of first n terms is nothing but first term only. So which equals to A1. Okay. What is the sum of first two terms? Okay, what is the first term? First term is nothing but sum of first term. So A1. Okay, next. What is the second term? Second term means see once. Second term A2 equals to S2 minus S1. A2 equals to S2 minus S1. What is Sn? 4n minus n square. S2 means 4 into 2 minus 2 square minus S1. S1 is nothing but 4 into 1 minus 1 square. Okay, that equals to 4 2s are 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 minus 4 1s are 4. 1 square value 1. So 8 minus 4 is 4 minus 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So second term is 1. Next, similarly find third term. Okay, see third term. Listen carefully. Third term A3 equals to S3 minus S1. A3 equals to S3 minus S1. What is S3? S3 value how much? D plus n equals to 3 in the Sn. So 4 into 3 minus 3 square. Next minus, okay, S3 minus S2 formula. Okay, so S2 value 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 minus 3 square value 9. Okay, so minus 4 2s are 8. 2 square value 4. That equals to 12 minus 9 is 3. 12 minus 9 is 3. Minus 8 minus 4 is 4. That is 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Therefore, third term equals to minus 1. Next, 10th term. I want next 10th term. Okay, 10th term. 10th term. 10th term A10 equals to the formula is A10 equals to S10 minus S9. A10 equals to S10 minus S9. So here S10. So S10 is nothing but sum of first n terms. So 4 into 10 minus 10 square minus S9. 4 into 9 minus 9 square. Okay. 4 tens are 40. 4 tens are 40. 10 square value 100. Minus 4 nines are 36. Minus 9 square 81. 40 minus 100 minus 60. Minus 36 minus 81. So 1 minus 6 is 5. 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. Minus 45. Minus 60. Minus or minus is plus 45. That is minus 15. Now finally we find nth term. That means 10th term. I mean nth term. Sn. So no. Nth term is nothing but an. Nth term. Nth term an equals to Sn plus 1 minus Sn. So Sn plus 1 is nothing but Sn is 4n minus n square. Sn plus 1 is d plus n equals to n plus 1. That equals to 4 into n plus 1 minus n square. 4 into n plus 1 minus n square. Sn value 4n minus n square. 4n minus n square. Okay, this is n plus 1. N plus 1 whole square. D plus n equals to n plus 1. Okay. 4 into see 4 into n is 4n. 4 into n is 4n plus 4 minus a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab. Okay, now minus into 4n is minus 4n. Minus into minus is plus n square. So 4n plus 4 minus n square minus 1 minus 2n minus 4n plus n square. Observe that here n square can cancel. Next 4n minus 4n cancel. Still 5 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3 minus 2n. This is the nth term of the given sequence. Problem 12. Find the sum of the first positive integers divisible by 6. Okay. 6 తో divisible అయ్యే first 40 positive integers sum ఎంత find out చేయాలి. So what is the first number which is divisible by 6? So 6. Okay. Second number 12. Third number 18, so on. Okay. 40 terms are there. 40 terms. Okay. Here A1 equals to 6, A2 equals to 12, A3 equals to 18, N equals to 40. So first find common difference. So A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. Okay. So A2 minus A1 is 12 minus 6. That is 6. Okay. So what is the first sum of n terms formula? Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now I want 40 terms. S40 equals to 40 by 2. 2a. A is nothing but a1. 2a plus n minus 1. N is 40 minus 1 d. D is the common difference. How much that one? 6. So 220 times. So 20 into 2 6 are 12 plus 40 minus 1 is 39 into 6. That equals to 20 into 12 plus 39 times of 6. 6 9 is 54. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. That equals to 20 into 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. 246. So you write the 0 here. 2 6 are 12, 1 balance. 2 4 are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 2s are 4. So 4920. Sum of first 40 positive numbers is which is divisible by 6 is S40 equals to 4920. 13th problem. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Okay. First 15 multiples of 8. First 15 multiples of 8 are, what is the first multiple of 8? 8. Second multiple 16. 8 to the 16. Third multiple 24. Fourth multiple 32. So on. How many multiples are there? 15 multiples. Up to 15 multiples. First find A1 equals to 8. A2 equals to 16. A3 equals to 24. So on. Okay, N equals to 15. Find A2 minus A1. How much? 16 minus 8. That is 8. A3 minus A2. So 24 minus 16. That is also 8. Therefore, A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. So the given sequence is in arithmetic progression. The progression is in arithmetic progression. So the above sequence is in arithmetic progression. Okay. Arithmetic progression. What is the common reference here? Common reference D equal to A2 minus A1. That is 8. Now we will find sum of first 15 multiples. So what is the sum of first n multiple? First n terms. Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now I want first 15 multiples of 8. So S15 equals to 15 by 2 2a value 8. N minus 1, 15 minus 1, d value also 8. D value also 8. So 15 by 2. 2 8s are 16 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 8. 15 by 2. 16 plus 14 8s are 8 4s are 32. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 15 by 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. 128. So 2 how many times? 64 times. So 15 into 64. 15 into 64. 15 4s are 60. 15 6s are 90. Okay. 90 plus 6, 96. So sum of first 15 multiples of 8 is 960. Problem 14. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. 0 ki 50 ki madhyalo ఉన్న odd numbers ento what sum ento cheppali. Okay, see. What is the first odd number between 0 to 50? So 1. Odd numbers between 0 and 50 are 1. First number is 1. What is the next number? 3. Next number is 5. So on 49. Okay. So here A1 is first term is 1. A2 is 3. A3 is 5. AN is 49. I don't know which number it is. Okay. So A2 minus A1. First find A2 minus A1. That is 3 minus 1, 2. A3 minus A2. 5 minus 3 also 2. Therefore A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. So the sequence is arithmetic sequence. That means arithmetic progression. So the progression is in arithmetic progression. Okay, what is the sum formula? Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus an. Here I don't know the value of n. So first find the value of n. Okay, since an equals to 49. What is the formula? An formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 49. So the value of a is 1 plus n minus 1, d value is here d value. So common difference is same. So this is called d. D equals to 2. Okay. So 2 equals to 49. So n minus 1 into 2 equals to 2. 1 transpose to right side. 49 minus 1, that is 48. N minus 1 into 2 equals to 48. So n minus 1 equals to 48 over 2. 2 transpose right side divided by 2. So that is 24. So n equals to 24 minus 1 transpose right side plus 1, that is 25. N equals to 25. Now we will find sum. Okay. Sn formula. What is Sn formula? N by 2 into a plus an. Here how many terms are there? How many terms are there? 25 terms. So now I want S25 equals to 25 over 2. A value 1 plus an value 49. That equals to 25 by 2. 1 plus 49 is 50. 1 plus 49 is 50. So 2 how many times? 25 times. 2 how many times? 25 times. So 25 times of 25. That is 625. Yes, 25. That means sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50 is 625. Therefore, sum of odd numbers between 0 and 25 is 625. Sorry, 0 and 50 is 625. Problem 14. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. 0 ki 50 ki madhyalo ఉన్న odd numbers ento what sum ento cheppali. Okay, see. What is the first odd number between 0 to 50? So 1. Odd numbers between 0 and 50 are 1. First number is 1. What is the next number? 3. Next number is 5. So on 49. Okay. So here A1 is first term is 1. A2 is 3. A3 is 5. An is 49. I don't know which number it is. Okay. So A2 minus A1. First find A2 minus A1. That is 3 minus 1, 2. A3 minus A2. 5 minus 3 also 2. Therefore, A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. So the sequence is arithmetic sequence. That means arithmetic progression. So the progression is in arithmetic progression. Okay, what is the sum formula? Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus an. Here I don't know the value of n. So first find the value of n. Okay, since an equals to 49. What is the formula? An formula? A plus n minus 1 into d equals to 49. So the value of a is 1 plus n minus 1. D value is here d value. So common difference is same. So this is called d. D equals to 2. Okay. So 2 equals to 49. So n minus 1 into 2 equals to 2. 1 transpose to right side. 49 minus 1, that is 48. N minus 1 into 2 equals to 48. So n minus 1 equals to 48 over 2. 2 transpose right side divided by 2. So that is 24. So n equals to 24 minus 1 transpose right side plus 1, that is 25. N equals to 25. Now we will find sum. Okay. Sn formula. What is Sn formula? N by 2 into a plus an. Here how many terms are there? How many terms are there? 25 terms. So now I want S25 equals to 25 over 2. A value 1 plus an value 49. That equals to 25 by 2. 1 plus 49 is 50. 1 plus 49 is 50. So 2 how many times? 25 times. 2 how many times? 25 times. So 25 times of 25. That is 625. Yes, 25. That means sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50 is 625. Therefore, sum of odd numbers between 0 and 25 is 625. Sorry, 0 and 50 is 625. A contractor on constructing job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: rupees 200 for the first day and rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being 50 more than the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work on by 30 days? Okay, a constructor ఒక రోజు డిలే చేస్తే వర్క్ డిలే చేస్తే అతనికి పడే పెనాల్టీ 200 రూపీస్. సెకండ్ డే ఎంత పడుతుంది? 250. థర్డ్ డే 300. ఇలా చేసుకుంటూ పోతే 30 డేస్ తర్వాత పెనాల్టీ 30 డేస్ అలా వర్క్ డిలే చేస్తే తనకి ఎంత పెనాల్టీ కట్టాలి? డైలీ ఎంత ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది? 50 రూపీస్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది ప్రిసీడింగ్ డే, ముందు రోజు కంటే. ఓకే, సి పెనాల్టీ ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ డే. పెనాల్టీ ఫర్ ఫస్ట్ డే, అదర్వైజ్ ఫస్ట్ డే పెనాల్టీ. ఫస్ట్ డే పెనాల్టీ rupees 200. Second day penalty equals to rupees, so rupees 250. Second day is 250. Third day penalty equals to rupees 300. Okay, so this is A1 first day, A2 second day, A3 third day. For each succeeding day being 50 more than the preceding day. Okay, so here one condition is there: the penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than the preceding day. So that means this is the common difference. So common difference equals to 50. So this is the AP. So the above information is in AP. What is the sum of n terms formula? Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here how many days? 30 days. So here n equals to 30, because after 30 days what is the sum? Okay, now S30 equals to 30 by 2 2a. A is 200 plus 30 minus 1. D is common difference. What is the common difference? 50. Okay, that equals to S30 equals to 30 by 2. How many times? 15 times. 15. 2a, 2 times of 200, 400 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into 50. That equals to 15 times 400 plus, see 0, write 0 here, 9 5s are 45, 4, 5 2s are 10, 14. Okay, that equals to 15 times 400 plus 1450 is 0, 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 4 plus 4 is 8, 1. Okay, now 15 zeros 0, 15 5s are 75, 15 8s are 120, 120 plus 7 is 127, 12 balance, 15 1s are 15, 15 plus 12 is 27 rupees. Okay, so how much money the contractor has paid to penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days is 27,250. So the contractor has to pay. As the contractor has to pay as penalty, right, as it is from here to here. Penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days equals to, otherwise is rupees 27,750. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize, what is the value of each of the prizes? A sum of 700 rupees is used to give 7 cash prizes. So here what is given? Okay, 7 cash prizes. So number of terms is given. So 7 cash prizes. So 7 cash prizes. That means n equals to 7. Okay. So sum of 7 prizes is 700. So sum of 7 cash prizes. Sum of 7 cash prizes, that is Sn, is 700. Okay, next. Each prize is 20 less than its preceding price. Okay, each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price. That means D equals to minus 20. Okay. Now find the value of each price. So since each price, now we will find each one of the price. First price, second price, third price, so up to 7 prices. Since Sn equals to 700. What is the Sn formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D equals to 700. Actually Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here what is the value of n? N value how much? 7. So now this is the S7. Substitute n equals to 7. 7 by 2 to a. I don't know the value of a, plus n value 7 minus 1, n value 7 minus 1. D value how much? D value minus 20. Minus 20 equals to 700. Okay. Now see, 7 ones are 700. So 1 by 2 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. Plus into minus is minus. So minus 6. Minus 6 into 20 equals to 100. So 2a minus 620 is 120 equals to 100. 2 transpose to right side, multiply with 2. So 2a minus 120 equals to 100 times of 2 is 200. So 2a equals to 200 minus 20 minus 100 transpose to right side plus 120. So 2a equals to 320. So a equals to 320 by 2. So 160. So a equals to 160. Now what is a means what? First price. So first cash price. A1 equals to 160. Second cash price. A2 equals 20 less than preceding. So 160 minus 20, that is 140 rupees. Third cash price. A3 equals to, now 20 less than preceding means 140 minus 20, that is 120. Fourth cash price. A4 equals to 120 minus 20, that is 100. Fifth cash price. So A5 equals to 100 minus 20, that is 80. Okay, how many cash prizes are there? 7 cash prizes are there. Sixth cash prize. A6 equals to 80 minus 20, that is 60. Okay, seventh cash prize. Seventh cash prize. A7 equals to 60 minus 20, that is 40. See problem number 17. In a school, students thought that of planting trees in and around the school to reduce the pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? Okay. In a school, students thought that planting trees in and around the school to reduce the pollution. Pollution reduce చేయడం కోసం plants వేస్తున్నారు. It was decided that number of trees that each section of each class will plant. అంటే ఏంటి, ఒక సెక్షన్ 1 ఉంది, సెక్షన్ క్లాస్ 1 ఉంది అనుకోండి, క్లాస్ 1 ఒక ప్లాంట్ వేస్తున్నాడు, క్లాస్ 2 వాడు 2 ప్లాంట్స్, క్లాస్ 3 3 ప్లాంట్స్. అలాగే ఎన్ని క్లాసెస్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని క్లాసెస్ ఉన్నాయి, 12 క్లాసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇంకేంటి, ఒక్కొక్క క్లాస్ మళ్ళీ ఎన్ని సెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, 3 సెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇలా వేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే, ప్లాంట్స్ వేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే 12 క్లాసెస్కి వచ్చేసరికి వాటి సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ట్రీస్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి మీరు చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, సి వన్స్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దిస్ వన్. సి ఫ్రమ్ ద గివెన్ డేటా, లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. From the given data, okay, section 1 student only 1 plant, section in class 1 student, class 2 student 2 plants, class 3 3, class 4 4, so on up to how many are there, 12 classes. Okay, so here A1 equals to how much, 1, A2 equals to 2, A3 equals to 4, A12 equals to 12. Okay, so here n equals to how much, n equals to 12 sections. Sum of the trees for all classes, so Sn equals to, what is the formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is 12, so S12 equals to 12 by 2 into, observe that we have one more formula, Sn equals to a plus an, this is one more formula, a plus an. Here a1 is, a is nothing but a1, 1, an is nothing but 12. Okay, so 2 6 times, 6 into 1 plus 2 is, sorry, 1 plus 12 is 13, 6 13 is 78, so yes 12. But how many sections are there in each class? 3 sections, so total number of trees, so there are 3 sections in each class. How many trees will be planted by the 2 students? Okay, total number of trees will be planted by the students equals to, so total plants actually 78 each section. So here how many sections are there? 3 sections, so 3 times of 78, 3 8s are 24, 2 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 2 is 23, so total 234 plants. Problem 15. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles which centers alternatively A and B, starting with center A of radius 0.5 centimeters, 1 centimeters, 1.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters as shown in the figure 5.4. This is the figure 5.4. What is the total length of such spirals made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Take pi equals to 22 by 7. See, this is the semicircle, first semicircle with center A. See the second semicircle with center B. Okay. So ఇలాగ వెళ్తూ పోతే 13 సెమీసర్కిల్స్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి టోటల్ లెంత్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? ఓకే, వాట్ ఆర్ ద రేడియస్ హియర్? రేడియస్ ఇస్ 0.5, 1.0, 1.5 centimeters. These are all centimeters. So on up to 13 times. Okay, so say the length of the semicircle is L1. Total length of spiral equals to L1 plus L2 plus so on up to L13. Okay, so here L1, L2, L3 are what are the type this one? Semicircles. So that equals to pi R1 plus pi R2 plus pi R3 plus so on up to pi 13. pi are 13. So 13 semicircles are there. So take pi as the common. R1 plus R2 plus so on R13. Okay. Now pi times of R1 value 0.5. So 1 plus 1.5 so on. Leave it. Okay. Find this value. So here this value I want to find this value. So here A1 equals to 0. Find the sum. A1 equals to 0.5. A2 equals to 1. A3 equals to 1.5. Okay. See the difference. A2 minus A1 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5. So common difference is same. So this is AB. So what in AB? What is the D formula common difference? A2 minus A1, that is 1 minus 0.5 equals to 0.5. Now we will find S13. These are how many times are there? 13 times. What is the SN formula? Find the sum. SN formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now I want to find S13 equals to 13 over 2 a value here 0.5 plus 13 minus 1 d value also 0.5. Okay, so that equals to 13 by 2. 2 times of 0.5 is 1 plus 13 minus 1 is 12 into 0.5. That equals to 13 over 2 into 1 plus 2. 12 times of 0.5. 12 times of 0.5 is 6. So 13 by 2. 1 plus 6 is 7. That is 13 sevens are 91 by 2. Now we will find total length. Total length equals to how much? Pi times of this value. Pi times of this value, how much? 0.5 plus 1 plus 1.5. This is the value 91 by 2. So pi value is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 91 by 2. Now see 2 11 times. 2 11 times. 7 1s are 7 13s are 11 into 13. So that equals to 11 times 13. 11 3s are 33. 3 balance. 11 1s are 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 143 centimeters. Problem 19. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 logs in the next, 18 in the next to it, and so on. How many rows are there? 200 logs placed, and how many logs are in the top row? Okay, there are 200 logs. So how many logs are there? 200 logs are there. 20 logs in the bottom row. This is the bottom row. How many logs are there? 20. Next 19. Next 18. So this is the points, and so on. How many rows? How many rows are there for 200 logs? Okay. How many logs are in the top row? I don't know how many rows. So first find the rows and how many logs are there in the top row. Okay. See. So first A1 equals to 20. Next A2 equals to 19. A3 18. Okay. What is the common difference? A2 minus A1, that is 90 minus 20 minus 1. See, 19 minus 20 minus 1. 18 minus 19 minus 1. This is the arithmetic sequence. So common difference is minus 1. Also given 200. That means 200 logs are stacked. Sn is given, that is 200. What is the Sn formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 200. Okay. N by 2 into 2a value is 20 plus n minus 1, d value is minus 1 equals to 200. Okay. So 2 transpose left side multiply with 2. So n times of 220 is 40. 220 is 40. Minus n into minus 1 is minus n. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 equals to 2 transpose right side 200 times 2. So n times of 40, other see ones n. 40 plus 1, 41 n. 41 minus n. equals to 400. So n times of 41 is 41n, n times of n is n square equals to 400. So these terms transpose to right side, n square minus 41n plus 400 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation in n. So split into two terms, middle term. So n square minus, this is split into two terms. So 19n minus 19n, see 400. So 200 times, 200 times, 250 times, 225 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, equals 16. So this one can be written as 16n minus 16n minus 25n. 25 times of 16 is 400. Okay, minus 41 can be written as minus 16 minus 25 plus 400 equals to 0. From these two terms, n is the common term, so n minus 16. From these two terms, minus 25 is the common, n minus 16 equals to 0. So n minus 16 is the common term, so n minus 25 equals to 0. So n minus 16 equals to 0, n minus 25 equals to 0. Therefore, n minus 16 equals to 0 means n equals to 16 and n equals to 25. N equals to 25. See next. If n, so how many rows? N is nothing but number of rows. Here two types of rows are there. N equal to 16 is one possible, n equal to 25 is another possible. Let us suppose n equal to 25. So number of logs are 25. Okay. What about an? An equal to what is the formula? So an is nothing but number of logs in the top row. A plus n minus 1 into d. So that equals to a25 equals to a value here. A value 20 plus n minus 1, 25 minus 1, d value minus 1. So 20 plus into minus 25 minus 1 is 24. So minus 4. Is it possible minus 4? If minus log terms, minus logs, minus 4 logs unnayi chapte manam, so it is not possible. This is not possible. This is not possible. Not possible because minus 4 logs is not possible. Minus 4 logs unnayi undau porpatu avutundi. So now therefore n equals to 16. Okay. Now check once n equals 16. A n equals to what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. So here 16. A 16 equals to a value 20 plus 16 minus 1, d value minus 1. So 20 plus 16 minus 1 is 15 minus 1. 20 plus into minus is minus 15. 20 minus 15 is 5. So here 16 equals to 5. So the final conclusion is number of rows are 16. Okay. Number of logs in the top row is 5. So number of rows are 16. Therefore, this is first row, second row, third row. Like this, number of rows are 16. So this is 20, 19, 5. Number of logs in the top row is 5. Okay. Therefore, number of rows equals to 16. Number of logs are in the top row. Number of logs are in the top row equals to 5. Problem 20. In a bucket and ball race, a bucket is placed at a straight point which is 5 meters from the first ball, and the other balls are placed 3 meters apart in the straight line. There is 10 balls in a line. A competitor starts from the bucket, pick up the nearest ball, runs back with it, drops into the bucket, runs back to pick the next ball, runs to the bucket to drop it, and continues in the same way until the balls are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Okay. In a bucket and ball race, a bucket is placed at the straight point, which is 5 meters from the first ball. Okay. This is the bucket. The ball is 5 meters from the bucket, first ball. Okay. So second ball, this is the 5 meters distance. Second ball is 3 meters. Second and the other balls are 3 meters apart. So second ball is 3 meters means 8. Third ball is 11 meters from the bucket. So from the given information, the distances are okay. First one is 5, 8, 11. How many balls are there? 10 balls. 11. Next one is 14. Next is 17. 17, so on. Here A1 equals to 5, A2 equals to 8, A3 equals to 11, so on. So n equals to how much? 10 balls. N equals to 10. Difference, common difference. See, 8 minus 5 is 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. So common difference is same. Hence it is a what is this progression? Arithmetic progression. So D equals to A2 minus A1. That is 8 minus 5, 3. Okay. So now we will find the sum of the distance. Okay. Distance in forward direction. First, forward direction, backward direction. Two directions. Distance in forward direction. What is the SN formula? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So how many balls are there? 10 balls. So S10 equals to 10 over 2A. A is 5 plus 10 minus 1, D is 3. So 10 over 2 how many times? 5 times. So 5 times of 2 5s are 10 plus 9 times 3. Okay. That equals to 5 into 10 plus 9 3s are 27. So 5 into 10 plus 27 is 37. 10 plus 27 is 37. See, 5 7s are 35. 5 3s are 15, 18, 185 meters in only one direction. Okay. Total distance covered, the commutator. So total distance means 2 times. She runs and pick the ball and keep in the bucket. So 2 times. So 2 times of 185. So 2 8s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 370 meters.